Here is a wonderful 2017 Honda HR-V. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Prepare to be amazed at the clever cargo solutions, agile handling, safety technology, and bold style of this HR-V. This practical, comfortable mini crossover was designed with your active lifestyle in mind. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, heated mirrors, backup camera, fog lamps, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, alarm, heated front seat. There's so much to love about this practical, agile Honda HR-V. Experience it for yourself. Take a test drive today.